Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how you can pay your USCIS immigrant fee online. To make the payment, you need two pieces of information. The first is your alien registration number, also called your A number. The second is your Department of State case ID. Both numbers are printed on the documents you receive from the National Visa Center or the U.S. Embassy. The payment is made only through the official USCIS website. You will go to the USCIS Immigrant fee page and start the payment process there. You do not need to log in or create an account to pay, but you can if you want to track your payment later. Once you open the payment page, you will be asked to enter your A number and your case ID. You can also include other family members' details if you are paying for more than one person. After adding everyone, the system will show the total amount due. You will then review the information to make sure it is correct. After confirming, you will be redirected to the securepay.gov page where the actual payment takes place. You can pay using a credit or debit card, a prepaid card, or a U.S. bank account. When the payment is successful, you will get a confirmation page and a receipt number by email. It is important to save or print this information as proof of payment. Thanks for watching.